Hey up now then folks, you join us for another one of Derek Bennett Presents Settrington through the 1970s, this video featuring on the Gymkhanas held at the Village Hall, using his cinefilm camera, the Canon P8. We'll start with this clip, which looks to be from 1972, which I've taken off the reel and I've named it Reel L, and where the jumping ponies or horses is where the bowling green is now. There looks to be a young Sally Sherwood here and her friend who started smoking at a young age at a fancy dress contest with 3 blind mice, a penguin, Little Red Riding Hood, a rock star, a knight and a jockey. What they've all got in common I don't know. Apparently this marching band came from up above Sunderland and majorly just played the kazoo. A very different ducking stool here, with a stick that looks to have to be knocked out of the way by a ball, and it looks to be 5p a go. Look at this, the Tate Smith Sundella soft drink stand for refreshments. Now would they hire this out quite a bit, as this pops up quite a bit in the Settrington archives. This looks to be John Sherwood, possibly doing a bit of filming with his Kodak Brownie, which is now safely on display at Eden Camp. This film segment was filmed by John Sherwood and it shows Rilton YFC doing piano smashing, as I think nobody wanted pianos back then, so to get rid of them they had a little contest to see who could smash them up the fastest. The year looks to have moved on to 1973 on Reel C, and it looks to be another Gymkhana with kids on ponies and fancy dress again down at Settrington Village Hall. Don't hesitate to leave a comment if you think you know someone in the video, whether you were there or know somebody that was. Here we have Andrew Gordon stood to the left with my dad Paul Beale, and notice there's no bowling green, as I think these Gymkhanas were to raise money for the new bowling green. Hey, what's my dad doing on GG? think he's been watching too much of The Good, the Bad and the Ugly. Another family member I'll have never met is my great-granddad Alexander Sherwood with his two sisters, Lucy and Elizabeth. So I've been told this is the builder Les Johnson from Birdsall Estate with the brown jacket on. And then in the suit jacket is John Harrison of Harrison Hire. In the cricket attire is Michael Blanchard from Scragglethorpe. We're on another cine reel, Reel B from 1974, and it features another gymkhana at Settrington Village Hall. These gymkhanas not only raise money for the new bowling green but for the village hall and also the tennis courts that we have here today. There's my great grandfather Alex Sherwood taking it all in again. It looks like they've renewed the Sundella drink stand. So this will be the last gymkhana I'm going to show you, and it has to be later than 1975, but there is no date on the reel, so can't get it just quite right accurate. This blue truck in the background looks to be Ronnie Lamb's old truck. This young lady dressed as the Queen of Spades is Ruth Harrison, now known as Ruth Russell, and has been one of the best presidents of Rilton YFC. I've put all the cine film in one playlist, so there's not just all Derricks in the playlist at the very end. I'll put it all together and it'll be in order of most popular at the top to least popular at the bottom. I hope that helps. I hope you've enjoyed this nostalgic journey into the past, captured by the late Derek Bennett from Settrington, filming the day-to-day life, unique events that happened locally or afar, along with steam rallies, some no longer on the go, with glimpses into the past of what used to happen. If you'd like to see more, check out these links.